student at Rehan's Global Academy, and this is my VAPI session. Let's start it. And today's topic is natural language learning, natural language processing, NLP. So let's talk about
today.
what is NLP in simple terms.
NLP can stand for depending on the context. In the context of our conversation, NLP stands for Natural Language Processing, which is a branch of artificial intelligence that helps computers understand, interpret, and generate human language in a valuable way.
How do NLP systems process human language?
And ready to assist you. How can I help you today?
What are some main tasks NLP is used for?
Natural language processing NLP. 2. Sentiment analysis, determining sentiment or opinion expressed in text, positive, negative, neutral, specifying named entities in text such as names of people, organizations, or locations. 4. Machine translation, translating text from one language to another. 5. Chatbots, agents that into text. 8. Information extraction, identifying and
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
How may I assist you today?
What are some common tasks in NLP?
Some common tasks in natural language processing NLP include 1. Text classification, categorizing text into predefined categories or classes. 2. Named entity recognition NR, identifying and classifying named entities such as names of people, organizations, locations, dates, etc. in text. 3. Sentiment analysis, determining the sentiment positive, negative, neutral expressed in a piece of text. 4. Language translation, collocs text from one language to another. 5. Text summarization, text generating a concise summary of a longer piece of text. 6. Speech recognition, converting spoken language into text. These are just a few examples, and there are many other tasks and applications in the field of NLP.
Okay, so my next question is what are some main tasks NLP is used for?
Natural language processing (NLP) is used for a wide range of tasks and applications. Some of the main ones include 1. Sentiment analysis, determining the sentiment positive, negative, neutral expressed in a piece of text. This is common for social media monitoring, customer feedback analysis, and brand reputation management. 2. Language translation, converting text from one language to another. This is essential for cross-lingual communication, international business, and global content localization. 3. Text classification, categorizing text into predefined categories or classes. This is spam filtering, topic categorization, and content organization. 4. Named entity recognition (ENR), identifying and classifying named entities such as names of people, organizations, locations, dates, etc. This is important for information extraction, search engines, and content analysis. 5. Speech recognition, converting spoken language into text. This is used for virtual assistants, voice-operated systems, and dictation software. 6. Text generation, creating human-like text based on input prompts. This is used for chatbots, content generation, creative writing assistants. These are a few examples, and NLP is also applied in areas such as question answering,
How does sentiment analysis work?
How may I assist you today?
How does sentiment analysis work?
Sentiment analysis, also known as opinion mining, is a natural language processing technique used to determine the sentiment or opinion expressed in a piece of text. It involves the text to identify and categorize subjective information such as opinions, emotions, and attitudes as positive, negative, or neutral. The process typically involves several steps, including 1. Pre-processing. This involves cleaning the text by removing punctuation, stop words, and other non-essential elements. It may also organization, which breaks the text into individual words or phrases. 2. Feature extraction. This step involves identifying features or characteristics of the text that may indicate sentiment, such as specific words or phrases, punctuation, or grammatical structures. 3. Sentiment classification. Using machine learning algorithms or predefined rules, the extracted features are then used to determine the sentiment expressed in the text. This may involve assigning a numerical score or label to indicate positive, negative, or neutral sentiment. 4. Model training and evaluation. In many cases, sentiment analysis models are trained on labeled datasets to learn to accurately classify sentiment. The model's performance is then evaluated to ensure its accuracy and effectiveness. Overall, sentiment analysis works by leveraging natural language processing and machine learning techniques to analyze and categorize the sentiment publicly. This due today.
My question to you is, what is a word embedding?
I'm sorry, but I am not sure what you mean by the word I'm planting. Could you please provide more context or clarify your question?
What is a transformer in NLP?
In the context of natural language processing NLP, a transformer refers to a type of deep learned data, such as language. It was introduced in a paper titled Attention is All You Need by Vaswani et al. In 2017. Transformers have been widely adopted in NLP tasks due to their ability to effectively capture long-range dependencies in sequential. They rely on mechanisms such as self-attention and multi-head attention to process input sequences and generate output sequences. Transformers have become a fundamental component in many state-of-the-art NLP models, the popular BERT, GPT-3, and T5 models.
What does BERT stand for and what does it do in NLP?
BERT stands for bidirectional encoder representations from transformers. It is a transformer-based deep learning model introduced by Google 18. BERT is designed to understand the context of words in a sentence by pre-training on a large corpus of text data. This pre-training allows BERT to capture the bidirectional relationships between words in a sentence, enabling it to generate more accurate and context-aware representations of words and sentences. In NLP, BERT is used for various tasks such as text classification, named entity recognition, question answering, and more. By fine-tuning BERT on specific downstream tasks, it can achieve state-of-the-art performance on a wide range of NLP tasks without the need for task-specific architectures or feature engineering. BERT has become a popular choice for many NLP applications due to its ability to capture complex language patterns and semantics.
Okay, so how is GPT different from other NLP models?
I believe there might be a misunderstanding here. As of now, I'm not familiar with a specific NLP model referred to as GPG. It's possible that there may be a typo or a miscommunication. Could you please provide more context or clarify the name of the NLP model you're referring to? Once I have the correct information, I would be more than happy to discuss the differences between the model and others.
It's GPT.
I see. It seems there might still be a misunderstanding. I'm not aware of a specific NLP model called cheap picking. It's possible that there might be a typo or an error in the name. If you could provide more context or clarify the name of the NLP model you're referring to, I would be happy to help address any questions or discuss its characteristics.
GPT.
Ah, I see. Transformer-based language developed by OpenAI. It is designed to generate human-like text by predicting the next word in a sequence based on the words that came before it. GPT models have been trained on large of text data and have been used for various natural language processing tasks, such as text generation, translation, summarization, and more. One of the key distinguishing features of models is their generative capabilities, allowing them to produce coherent and contextually relevant text. These models have been influential in advancing the field of natural language generation and have been utilized in a wide range of applications. If you have any specific questions about GPT or would like to know more about its characteristics and applications, feel free to ask.
What is machine translation in NLP?
Integrating machine translation into your app can be a great way to provide multilingual support and enhance user experience for a global audience. There are several options available for implementing machine translation, including using pre-trained models from providers such as Google Cloud Translation API, Microsoft Translator API, or Amazon Translate. Here's a general outline of how you might go about integrating machine translation into your app. 1. Select a machine translation service. Research and choose a machine translation service that best fits your app's needs in terms of language support, accuracy, and cost. 2. Obtain API access. Sign up for the selected machine translation service and obtain the necessary API access. 3. Integrate the API. Utilize the documentation provided by the machine translation service to integrate their API into your app. This typically involves making HTTP requests to the translation service's endpoint and handling the response within your app. 4. User interface. Design the user interface of your app to incorporate language selection and translation features. This may involve providing language options for users to choose from and implementing translation functionality for text-based content. 5. Testing and optimization. Thoroughly test the translation feature within your app to ensure accurate and reliable translations. Consider optimizing the user experience based on feedback and usage P. Ava, how may I assist you today?
Why are stoppwords removed in NLP tasks?
It seems like there might be some confusion in your question. Could you please provide more context or clarify what you are asking about tasks? I'd be happy to help once I understand your question better.
Why are stoppwords removed in NLP?
In natural NLP, stop words are commonly removed from text because they are considered to be noise that does not carry much meaning in the analysis of the text. Commonly occurring words such as the is at, which, etc. These words are often filtered out from the text before further processing, such as text analysis, classification, or information retrieval, to focus on the more meaningful words that carry the most important information and context. Removing stop words help improve the efficiency and accuracy of NLP tasks such as sentiment analysis and language modeling.
Okay, I got it. So I think it's enough for today.
Of course. If you have any more questions in the future, feel free to ask. Have a great day.
Yeah, sure. So let's end this interview here.
Thank you. I'm not sure what you mean. If Andrew has any questions or needs assistance with anything, feel free to let me know. I'm here to help.
Yeah, sure. So that is everyone. We'll see you in my next VAPI session. Till then, goodbye. Take care.
Any other questions or